students, welcome back to your English grammar class. In my previous sessions I started with the chapter present tense, and today we'll be doing the last topic, that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, the helping verb be and have along with the present participle of the verb are used in this form. Okay, so helping verb be and have are used with the present participle in this form of sentence. It indicates the continuity of an action that began in the past and is still going on. Like, we have been studying in this school for 5 years. He has been working on the project since March. To express an action that has finished just a short while ago. Like, my brother has been playing cricket all day. So he had started playing cricket some time back but has stopped playing now. So this also comes under present perfect continuous tense. Structure of the sentence is subject plus has or have plus, here what we need to add the most is the been. Been you have to add with have, has and verb in the fourth form plus other words and for, since plus time phase. Okay, so uses of for and uses of since. When will you use for and when will you use since? For since, it shows the point of time of start of an action. When the action has started, it shows that. Since is used with the name of days, months, seasons and festivals. When do we use since? With months, seasons and festivals, days of these. Since is used with the period of days or life. Since morning, since evening, we say no like that. All these things, with all these things, since is used. Since is used with the time shown in a clock and with century or year. Since 6 o'clock, since 21st century, since the year 1998, etc. Since plus last plus time phrase. So since last week, since last year, the last year and last week is showing the time phase. Now when we will use for, it shows the period of time of the happening of an action. Here it shows the period of the time when the action has happened. For is used with the number of days, months, weeks and hours. For how many days, for how many months, all these things for is used. For is used with long time. For a long time you use for. Okay, so for and since are usually used in perfect continuous tense before the time phase. Okay, just before the time phase you use for or since. Since is used to suggest the point of time at which the action started, and for is used to suggest the period of time in which the action continued. Okay, see this. Mr. Khanna has been talking to some guests since 9 o'clock. Started talking exactly at 9 a.m. and is still going on. Mohan has been attending the tuition class for several days. Doesn't say that exact time of the starting of the tuition. When you don't know the exact time, at that time you will use for. In present perfect continuous tense, the time expression time phase is usually given. This time phase is usually given. Now let's see the affirmative sentence structure. Affirmative sentence structure is I, that is the subject, plus have, has and been with it, and for verb in the fourth form, other words, for, since and the time phrase. So with I, we, you and they we use have been, and he, she we use has been. So fill in the blanks with the present perfect continuous form of the verb using for and since appropriately. Mr. Ankit dash at the school dash 12 years. Time phase is given over here exact. So Mr. Ankit has been teaches the verb. So we will be adding ing and has. Mr. Ankit has been teaching since 2012. The boys dash cricket dash last 50 minutes. Okay, so play. So what we will do, we will add ing to it, and the boys, so more than one is there, so we will be using have. The boys have been playing cricket for last 50 minutes. Try doing the remaining blanks on your own. Moving on to the negative sentence. Again, when you're doing to negative, subject plus have, has plus not. So here you need to add not where between have, has and been, and then the rest of the structure remains the same. like the fourth form of verb, other words, since, for, and the time phrase. Okay, so change the following sentence into negative form. This sentence you have to make it into negative form. Just what will be added in between? Not will be added between has, have, and been. I have been writing this novel for the last 1 month. Last 1 month. So what we will do, we have to make it into negative. So what we will do, we will add not between what? Have and been. We will add here not. The rest of the sentence remains the same. I have not been writing the novel for the last 1 month. See the second one. We have been playing cricket under the guidance of Mr. Kapil Dev for a long time. We have not been playing cricket under the guidance of Mr. Kapil Dev for a long time. You just need to add not in between have and been or had and been. The remaining 3 ones you can try on your own. Moving on to the interrogative yes no type question. Again, helping verb plus subject plus been plus ing form of verb, other words, since or for, and the time phrase. So rewrite the following sentences as directed. I have been cooking since 9 o'clock. You have to make this sentence into negative. So what we will do, we will just be putting not in between have and been, right? I told you this side when I told you taught you this negative sentence. So simple, here also we just need to put the negation not. And to make this sentence only into interrogative, what we will do, we will do the helping, we will place the helping verb first. Have I been cooking since 9 o'clock? So have, here I becomes the subject, been, which you need to add verb in the fourth form, that is ing form, since and for, either of it. So here we will be putting since and 9 o'clock and question mark. So it's converted into interrogative. See the third one. Has she been talking to her mother since 9 o'clock? So has she been talking, you have to make it into negative. This is given in the question form, so and this we have to make it into affirmative, simple sentence. She has been talking to her mother since 7 o'clock. Okay, like subject plus have, has plus been plus ing plus other words, for, since, and time phrase. See the negatives and how will you convert it into negative? Same thing, the first sentence that you converted into positive. What you need to do, you just simply need to add not between has and been, right? By now it will be quite simple for you all. Moving on to interrogative yes no type, WH type question. This one you have to do on your own, students. So WH word, have, has plus subject plus been plus ing form of the verb and other words. Like we did in our previous exercises, but here you can put here also you need to put the WH word first, then followed by the have, has, subject plus been, which is very important, and ing form of verb. We have been taking a language class since last month. Last month is the time frame that is given. Okay, so since when have you been taking our language classes? Since last month. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be adding since over here, that is the time phrase we will be putting first. Since when have you been taking our language class and question mark. See the second one. Yes, we have been taking our language classes since last month. Okay, so now you have to make it into a WH type question. So have you been taking our language classes since last month? Question mark. So you have to get this answer. Yes, we have been taking our language classes since last month. Try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to exercise to interrogative negative yes no type question. Okay, so first what we will do, again interrogative. So by default when it is a yes no type question, so the helping verb comes first, followed by the subject, not, been plus 4 form of verb, other words, for, since, and the time phrase. See the exercise T. They have been working on this project for 4 years. So what we will do, have they been working on this project for 4 years and question mark. We just need to put the have before the helping verb before the subject, and we need to add not been right after the subject. So which is the subject over here, students? They is the subject over here, and we added not been after they to make it into a interrogative negative question. See the second one, he has been practicing his song since childhood. So again we have to make this into interrogative negative. So what we will do, we will put the helping verb first. So this is done. Has is the helping verb first, he is the subject which comes after the helping verb. And what we need to do here, one more thing we need to add, that is not been practicing this song since childhood and question mark. So this will make it into interrogative negative. Try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the last topic for today, complete the table given below and frame questions in the similar sentence. These are the positive sentence given over here, and you have to convert it into make the same sentence into negative. And in some way places there are negative sentences given, and you have to make it into positive. So I have written the essay on environment. So this is a positive sentence, right? Now to make it negative, what will you do? I have not written the essay on environment. You will just add a not after the helping verb. You see this one, you are not going to the class to be the class monitor. So this is in the negative form. So to make it positive, what we will do, we will just omit this not. You are going to be the class monitor. See the third one, birds chirp in the woods. This is the positive sentence, right? And what we will do to make it negative, birds do not chirp in the woods. With the do and not, we made it into negative. Fourth one, they are not playing cricket. Simple, remove the not. They are playing cricket. Similarly, students, try doing the remaining ones on your own. So students, your homework for today and over the weekend is to complete exercise P, Q, R and S today, and exercise T and U over the weekend. So in case if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me, and with this we finish the chapter. If you all have any queries, you all can ask me. Okay students, thank you.